Well, I think I found the leak.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is Matt. I have a treat for you today where I am able to track down a ruptured fuel line from the engine to the fuel tank. And in this first section, I'm just trying to clear up some area so that I can pull the hose out and replace it. I didn't film the entire process to remove this spare tire, but the concept here is I remove the tire so that I have better access to remove the toolbox so that I can replace the fuel line. This little clip here doesn't really have anything to do with me replacing the fuel line. I just wanted to investigate or take off this cover because whenever I used a hydraulic pump to raise or lower the cap, this either seems to be smoking or there's just some sort of dust that comes out. So I just wanted to take another look at it. Now that I've taken out this hydraulic cover, I'm looking at the different hoses coming in and out of the engine bay, and so this is where I'm going to realize that I'm going to need to take off the tool storage on the side of the truck. Before I try to remove any of these bolts, I just drown it in penetrating oil because there's no chance if you don't do it this way.
that worked or it just slipped. Oh, it worked. Okay. Very nice. See, that's how easy it's supposed to be.
Right here, the reason why I'm playing around with this hose is it was easier for me to take off the hose attached with the adapter that was connected to the Caterpillar engine versus just the hose. So this next little couple of 15-20 seconds is just trying to take that adapter off to reuse for later. This next section here, I'm going to be sizing the new fuel lines. I bought these off of Amazon. I can link it in the description, but watch me struggle cut this hose. When I bought this hose kit on Amazon, it came with a 180-degree adapter, and the reason why the fuel line, the old fuel line broke is because of the angle that the hose had to go through to then be routed to the fuel tank. So I decided to take a proactive step and use a 180-degree adapter, which then will not need to bend the hose so that it doesn't crack later. This adapter was made out of aluminum, so I didn't want to crank down on it, so I just tightened it up to a reasonable level. In this section here, I'm routing the fuel line to the fuel water separator. After observing this video, I probably need to replace it.
Alright, time to get the new fuel lines back to where they need to be.
pretty much wraps up the video. You guys saw me identify the leak, follow the hose all the way down to the fuel tank, and then I basically removed a toolbox so that I had more room to remove and replace the fuel line. You guys saw me create a fuel line, and we'll see what the next video holds. I'm thinking about doing an engine oil change. Let me know what you think in the comments. As always, I appreciate your support and your views, and see you next time.